How to add a text behind an object in Davinci Resolve. First thing, you need to duplicate your layer and go in Effect. In Open Effects, search for 3D. Double click and automatically will be applied to our selected footage. Make sure this is selected, Open Effects Overlay, and now with eyedropper plus select the background. Next thing, we need to go in Title and place which title you prefer. Let's try this one. We need to move it a little bit. So let's start now. And this is how you are going to do in the free version. But if you have the premium version, let's do it. With your clip selected, hold Alt and duplicate. In the effects, we need to choose the title and put between them. Let's move this so we will see the text. Let's push a little bit. And now we put back here. In the Fusion tab, we are going to press Shift and Spacebar and type Magic Mask. Add your Magic Mask, and now we're going to select our subject and also drag back and forward. Now, when this is done, we can go over to the edit page and let's check.